Hello, this is Ariella Carmel, and I'm at Calcalist and Doral's final round of the Israeli Climate Awards. I'm joined by finalist and CEO of Criaterra Innovations, Adital Ela. Thank you for joining me.
Thank you. Thank you for having us.
So can you start off by telling me a little bit about Criaterra?
Yes, sure, with pleasure. So Criaterra was founded in order to address the 4 gigaton problem of cement as a building material. We are working to create fully regenerative, low-carbon building products that are produced without going beyond the boiling point of water. This allows us to achieve products that have the strength of concrete, are 6 times more thermal, and yet are produced while saving 90% of the energy and 86% of the emissions. We developed a technology that we call the biogeoagglomerated stone. It allows us to produce a variety of building products, such as tiles that we have already market ready and masonry blocks that are in R&D at the moment. So we already validated the technology with almost 250,000 tiles. We have 150 installations in Israel, in Europe, and in Asia. And we are working towards a highly insulative wall that allows us to reduce the layers of insulation, reduce the layers of finishing, and achieve a highly effective, cost-effective wall that saves 30% of the energy in heating and cooling the building.
Now, can you explain why something like this is so important in order to be more ecologically focused?
Yes, of course. So today, 40% of the environmental impact that we create as humanity is created by the building industry. So of course, this is enormous. I am the second generation to a family of builders from Jerusalem. I'm also a sustainability designer. And I understood that we need to really transform the way we produce building materials in order to address this challenge. So if we take out of the equation the act of firing minerals, if we preserve the natural carbon capture, and if we create products that are highly insulative, we have a pathway to produce fully regenerative, low-carbon products that create clean, healthy buildings for generations and generations ahead.
Now, is there anything else like this that currently exists on the market?
So, luckily, many companies are joining this path of challenging cement as we make it today. You can find companies that are changing the way we make clinker. Clinker is the huge stone that is made from clay and lime, and then you grind it into what we call cement. So some companies are looking to achieve clinker with less energy. Some of them are looking to use less clinker. But Criaterra and some other companies are looking to reformulate the way we make cement altogether. So this is the group of companies that I would believe will bring this challenge to reality.
Now, moving forward, are there some specific trends that you're noticing within the sector that you think are going to become even more popular and understood as the climate gets worse and the world gets hotter?
One of the challenges today is that cement is a requirement by the standards to produce building materials. So we really need to have this process supported by a regulatory change of mindset. So we see the regulation is driving ahead to challenge the way we make cement, to make sure buildings are produced with less carbon emissions, to have a ceiling of how much carbon emission you can create when you produce a building. But to support this change, we also need to change those regulations that require cement in the first place, because the Criaterra products and others achieve all the property requirements of the standards, but we want to do it without cement at all. And we need the world of standards to grow together with us towards enabling this reality.
Well, that's all the time we have for today, but thank you so much for taking the time to speak with us, and congratulations about participating in this amazing competition.
Thank you very much.